In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ChatGPT remember your preferences. To do this, first make sure you're logged into ChatGPT. Click your profile icon. Then click Personalization. Scroll down under the Memory section, make sure Reference Saved Memories is turned on. It's also a good idea to enable Reference Chat History. Once these options are enabled, close the Settings window. Now you need to tell ChatGPT what you want it to remember. For example, you could type a message like this: every time you reply to my questions, use bullet points. Add this to your memory for future chats. Then send the message. If it works correctly, you'll see a notification that says Saved Memory Updated. From now on, ChatGPT will remember that preference. You can also manage your saved memories. Hover over the memory notification and click Manage. Here you'll see a list of everything ChatGPT has saved in memory. You can review, edit, or remove any saved preference whenever you want. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.